His body, baby, oh. Oh.
This is what you call pregnancy glow, dripping in chocolate, hot chocolate. Anyone you call it, don't forget to add chocolate, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are well. If you're new here, my name is OmoniCurls and you're welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hair and makeup. This is actually like an everyday hair and makeup for me. So if you want to see how I created this look, you know what to do. Keep on watching. So the first thing I like to do is to wet my hair with water. So I'm going to be using the one from my spray bottle. So next I like to use the Cantu coconut coiling cream. Just a little bit of it like this. My hair is very soft, so I don't really need to use gel to make it sleep. I'll just brush it.
So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. Yeah.
So next I'm going to be using this Femi collection Afro Puff. I'm just going to wet it a little to make it soft. This hair is life. It's more than amazing. It's a lifesaver. It looks so natural that people stop me on the way to ask if it's my natural hair. That's one thing I love about it, and that is why I feel very comfortable wearing it every day. I'm going to use that same cream with my edge brush to bring out my baby hair. To moisturize my lips, I'll be using the Dr. Pawpaw Original Lip Balm. To moisturize my face, I'll be using the melaniemills Gleam Body Radiance in Deep. This is actually my first time of using the melaniemills Gleam Body Radiance. So let's see what it looks like. It's very smooth and easy to apply, so I love it. I honestly love this. I don't regret buying it at all. I'll be using the lagirl Pro Concealer in orange to color correct my dark circles.
That way I move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
For foundation, I'll be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in cocoa.
Can you feel up my let's have a
To highlight my face, I'll be using the lagirl Pro Concealer in Fawn.
have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say
And to contour my face, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer in C18.
you think so, girl? Pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me filler wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them are watching. They are free up our daughter. Bad man, what you say? Standard.
To set the concealer, I'll be using the Sachacosmetic setting powder.
High grade sipping on my liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain,
To bronze my face, I'll be using the CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronze.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy.
To dust off the excess powder on my face, I'll be using the blackopal True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in dark.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. Inna ya, say she give me inna ya.
For my eyebrow, I'll be using the illamasqua Precision Brow Gel in Stare. First, I like to start it with a dark brown eyebrow pencil before going in with the brow gel.
So, girl, for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Mara wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
To clean my eyebrows, I'll be using the lagirl Pro Concealer in Fawn and Espresso.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb up like them are watching. They are free up our daughter. Bad man, what you say?
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, see, see, I'm a jari too. I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jari too. I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more.
To line my eyes, I'll be using the illamasqua Precision eyeliner gel in Infinity.
Yeah, they hope. See the man them know. See the man them know. Baby, make you feel alright.
And then I'm going to apply mascara. I don't really know which mascara I'm using. The name has rubbed off.
Bad man. But see now the place them are wanting more.
I'm going to apply some old pair of lashes. So to set my face, I'll be using the mariobadescu facial spray. To highlight my face, I'll be using the I Heart Makeup Summer of Love Triple Baked Bronzer in Hot Summer of Love.
She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me, she a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl.
I'm going to use Dose of Color liquid lipstick in Chocolate Wasted.
Baby, make you feel alright, make you feel my fantasy.
And Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Crush.
Oh Lord of His mercy, VQs, make them know. Bad man, bulaka, 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 bulaka. These body, baby, oh.
So guys, here's the final look. As you can see, I'm glowing, and I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the night, she be wanting more. By the end of the day, they be wanting more. Bossing out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more.